Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. So, guys, I hope you are doing very well. And here is another amazing, exciting platform for my viewers. So, here I will tell you how you have to join this awesome platform and how you can generate your income and how you can earn a lot of profits here. So, you have to don't miss any part of the video. You have to stay tuned till end of the video. So before starting their further amazing, exciting review of this awesome platform, I would request if you are new on my channel, Crypto Victoria, please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. As you know that Victoria always come with an amazing, exciting and new platform in the world of cryptocurrency, one and only my audience. So here I will tell you about each and everything. Here is welcome to MBXA AIU. This is very amazing platform, guys. Here I will tell you about complete review of this awesome platform. What's about this platform and why you have to join our all about our token sales, our roadmap, and also about our networks. Also, I talk about our socials like our Insta, Twitter, Telegram community, YouTube tutorials, why you have to join, and how you can log in your account, how you can create your account, how you can join MBXAU. So it's very easy and very simple, guys. You have to just sign up. How you have to sign up? You have to simple go on our official website that I have placed in my video description. You have to simply click on this, and then after that you have to put your name, phone number, email address, country, and password, confirm password. In this easy way you can sign up. So you have to must join this, and you have to mustly register your account. You have to put your email and password, and then you can easily sign up your account at Metal Bank X. So you have to must join here. So before starting their further exciting review, I have to say something that I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment, guys. I am not responsible for your any profit or loss. So this is the guys world first real assist economics that generates gold drops, and that economics platform help holders leverage the physical gold and also earn about multi yield. So here is early adopter is live now, and almost here you can see that 140 days, 7 hours, 12 minutes remaining now, and first early adopter stage is now live. You have to just join right here now, and you have to purchase these gold drops and you have to join. And guys, you can also trade our swap MBXAU on Uniswap, Chicodex, Vudex tool. And here is our tutorial on YouTube. You can watch and also see about here. So this is about Metal Bank Technology Team's aims, why they create this robust and transparent ecosystem that bridges the gap between traditional finance, also burgeoning world of cryptocurrencies. So then the Metal Bank innovative founders created a break to physical gold tokenized model name that is Metal Bank X, which is AU is for gold. So that's why it's create their name MBXAU. A new era of tokenomics of Model X, that's meaning of a collaboration Metal Bank token in collaboration with allocated and physical gold. So this is the first Jeffy platform, that's a fusion of physical gold and pledging their decentralized finance the creation of a crypto token ecosystem. And here you can see that you can check out our tokens. This is we have built a Daphne on blockchain AI technology to bridge real precious assist with tokenized of digital assets. And here you can check out read about our platform. What is basically this is bringing bridging platform, crowd conscience integrated platform backed by real precious assist. And here is a lot of fairness rewards mechanism, also multiple rewards you can and get. And guys, now why you have to, or why you have to join this, because this is the discretion of your hands. And here is a multi earnings engines, and this is the lifetime multiple earnings, and this is totally secure, and there is also a risk mitigations too. Here you can check out minimum target price in 2025 is 1 MBXAU is equal to 0.001 Ethereum. So here you can check out our current price, and here is our about management allocation is 80%, 20% for the engagement allocation. This is about our tokenomics market making, and this is about 25%, and physical gold that is 70% for 75%. So Here is our about economics, where you can see that our 1 billion is total supply, Metal Bank Global Monetary, and you can we are basically on, guys, Ethereum blockchain, and you can also trade, purchase, swap at this, and we have to listing on the platforms exchanges like CEX, DEX, and you have to also here you can check out our early adopter that started from 9 June 2024 and now ended this on 31st July. And here you can see that we have acceptable our all of the currencies, that is Ethereum, BTC, USDT, all of these, and this is our first round token supply. Here you can check out all of our strategy, our project plan, what we have to do in July 2023, 2000 January 2024, and what's about we have to do in next further. So here you can check out our all of the strategies, our plans, and here you have to must watch this metal banks versus our MBX AO project bridging platform. So here you can see this tutorial. Here is also our white paper. Our each and everything is available in document form if you not understand yet. So here you have to download and you have to read this. And guys, I have to also say that you have to must meet with our innovators teams that's also doing their very hard work, and they're doing their best for you, and these are the our administrators, our hardworking teams that making their too much best. And here is our Telegram community where you have to join for our further updations, and this is our Twitter official account where you have to follow, like, comment, retweets. As I tell you, this is the world first real assist tokenomics that offers gold drops, and this tokenomics platform helps holders to leverage the physical gold and earn. So here is our all of the further updations, news, announcement. You have to join our all of the socials for our further announcement and news. This is our Instagram account where you can see that our all of the announcements here. So you have to must like this and follow this here. And guys, now I will tell you about here you can see that this is the ecosystem collaborators that's supporting us, and here you can see that these are the supporting our Metal Bank Global Monetary, that's bridging platforms, and Bullrun ecosystem. These are the all of ours. So you have to contact, as I tell you, you can contact at these WhatsApps, and you can also send us our email at our official email, and here you have to submit your message, and you have to must join all of our these socials like our Twitter, Instagram, our Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, and you have to always connected, stay updated with us, and you have to get our latest news about our physical gold market, and also about our MBXAU token, as well as our all of the financial news you can get here on our these socials account. So see you next video. Thanks for watching.